Greetings, everyone. This is an important reminder, so I hope many of you are listening. Approximately 3 weeks ago, we did a live show talking about the grid down messaging devices. These devices will allow you to communicate with your loved ones or with a larger community if the grid itself or cellular communications were to go down for an extended period of time. On April 28th, 2025, a massive and unexplained power outage struck Spain, Portugal, and parts of France, affecting millions for hours and raising widespread concern. Some areas experienced outages lasting up to 24 hours. Investigations are focused on the first moments of the crisis when Spain's electricity demand plummeted by 60% within seconds. Red Eléctrica de España suggested renewable energy might be involved, given that it provided about 70% of the power at the time, though Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez has not ruled out a cyber attack. Experts believe a sudden loss at a power generation plant could have triggered oscillations in the power grid, leading to protective shutdowns. Data from thousands of plants and substations is under review, and a definitive explanation may take months. The blackout caused severe disruptions, closing businesses, stranding commuters, and prompting panic buying. Despite various rumors, including global-scale cyber attacks, no clear cause has emerged. The event has sparked new concerns over the stability of renewable energy-heavy grids and has inspired many to start preparing survival kits for potential future outages. In response to such vulnerabilities, the Metacenter has been proactive in developing solutions to ensure communication during grid-down scenarios. We have introduced the Metanodes, devices that create a decentralized mesh network, allowing users to send text messages without relying on traditional cellular networks. These devices operate on the 900 to 928 megahertz frequency band and can function without the internet, making them invaluable during power outages. The Metanodes come in portable versions for individual use and larger stationary nodes designed to cover broader areas, enhancing the communication grid's resilience. Additionally, the Metacenter offers workshops where community members can learn to build these devices, fostering skills in science, technology, engineering, and math. For those interested in purchasing their own Metanode or the comprehensive guidebook, both are available on the Metacenter website. The recent events in Europe underscore the importance of such initiatives. As I always emphasize, being proactive rather than reactive is crucial. By equipping ourselves with tools like the Metanodes and the knowledge to use them, we can ensure that even in the face of unforeseen disruptions, our communities remain connected and resilient. Let me be blunt. The central grid is not designed to keep you safe. It's designed to keep you dependent. When it fails, and it will, you'll see just how quickly the illusion collapses. Supermarkets become war zones. First responders get stretched thin. Panic spreads faster than fire, and people will do anything to regain control, especially if they feel cut off and alone. That's why we're giving you the tools now, not after the headlines, not when it's too late. You don't want to be the one saying, I wish I had listened. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to have a science degree. You just need the will to learn and the wisdom to act. Every Saturday, the Metacenter opens its doors for tinkering with 3D printers, tactical communication workshops, behavioral analysis classes, metaphysics classes, private technical training, and much more. You'll meet real people, building a future where humans matter. And guess what? In most cases, it's free. That's how serious this is. That's how much we care about our community. If you don't live near us, fine. Consultations and books are available, because when the lights go out, you'll need more than candles. You'll need connection. You'll need resilience. You'll need to know what frequency your people are on and how to reach them. This is your invitation, not just to learn, not just to prepare, but to be the one others can count on when the system fails. So ask yourself, when the signal dies, will you still be heard? Until the next time we speak, take care.